In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a monthly Robux subscription. So if you want to subscribe to a package whereby you would be billed and automatically have 1,000 Robux, it's pretty simple. Let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. To get started, go over to this money or gold icon here, and this will take you to your Robux account, and currently you can see I have 0 balance. To make a subscription, this is a monthly subscription. Just scroll up to the end of the page and you should see we have a subscription option. I'm told here for $9.99 I'll be able to earn or to get 1,000 Robux each and every month. So go ahead and tap on it. So go ahead and choose this option for you to make this purchase. You are told by clicking purchase, you acknowledge that you are 18 years of age or that you are the parent or legal guardian of the account owner. So proceed and tap on purchase, and that will take you to your payment wallet and make the purchase. So that's how you can make a subscription for Robux on your Roblox account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.